Keegan, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are doing a dorm tour. If you guys don't know, I'm a sophomore and I live in my sorority house. I'm an Alpha Chi Omega at Arizona State and my room is dorm style, so I technically live in a dorm again this year. If you guys want to check out my move-in vlog or my dorm tour from last year, I will have those linked down below for you guys. Follow me on Instagram if you're not already. I'm trying to step up my game. I will also do a sorority house tour soon, I promise. We just need to like clean the house. But let's get on into the dorm tour. When you walk in, this is what you see. Here's our door to enter, and then we have this little corner of closet, so they're mirrored closets. So hey, this one's mine. It's not closed all the way. There we go. Oh, there we go. And so this is my roommate's closet. This is my closet. They're just sliding closets. They're not super clean, so I'm not going to show them, but yeah, super nice. Mine actually goes really far back, which is lovely. Love that. And then on the door, here's our door. Pretty basic. I have two command hooks. I plan on putting my keys on them, but I never actually do. I always just have my keys with me, so I never hang them up. And then here's just like basic stuff. Our fan, lights, and then our thermostat. Oh, what did I just do? Okay, so here's a little overview of the room. It's so cute. I really love it. It's really big. As you guys can see, there's a cutout right here. That's for the door to enter. Most rooms actually don't have that, so like that is not there. So this is one of the smallest rooms in the house, and I actually chose this room because I liked having this wall because I thought it'd be good for filming. It's still a big room considering that it's like one of the smallest rooms in the house. Who really cares? I chose it and I love it. I'll actually show you guys my roommate's side first. I'm not gonna go into much detail. It's like her side and like she has personal privacy, all that stuff. I think her side is so freaking cute. I really love it. Daniela, you did an amazing job decorating it. I really love it. This is my side, which is what I'll go into more because like I bought everything. Yeah, it's mine, you know. Our rug right here, that is from Amazon. It's really nice. It kind of collects like a lot of fuzz balls. I don't know if you can see, there's like one right there. We also have our fridge awkwardly there. We didn't know where to put it. This is from my dorm last year and we basically just put like drinks in there. We have in our kitchen downstairs in the house, we have two fridges, so like everyone uses that stuff. Really, there's nothing in here besides like Gatorades and Sprites, and yeah, that's not really exciting. On top of it, I just have this little plant. It's from JCPenney. It's really cute. It has like this nice like wicker, which goes well with the wicker that I have in my little cubes. I'll show you in a second. There's my phone. Here's our window. This is just like a little view. Oh, there's people. There's never people. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's creepy. Sorry. This is all the other sorority and fraternity houses. This is what it looks like at ASU. I will do a whole house tour soon. I promise, eventually. And then over here, I have a little ottoman. I had this for my dorm last year. I basically use this to help me step onto my bed because my bed's a little higher. And then inside of it, I just have a bunch of random stuff. Like I have, oh my, see, there's a dust bunny. That is so gross. Ew, I'm so sorry. You had to see that. I have like self-tanning stuff, and I have like ibuprofen and cotton balls and just like a bunch of random stuff that needed to go somewhere. And then I always have this little basket on top of it. That's from Amazon too. And here I have like all my like stuff that I use a lot. So like my adapters, my portable charger, hard drive, chargers, and SD cards for cameras. Like this is a lot of like YouTube stuff that I use for like my computer or something like that. So it's really nice just like having it close to my bed because I always edit and stuff on my bed. And then speaking of my bed, here it is. I think it's so cute. I'm really obsessed with it. It took me forever to do this and I am obsessed with it. So I guess I'll start like bottom to top and then I'll bring you up. This stuff came with the room. That's my cord that I use to charge my phone. I don't even know how organized these are. Bras and underwear and like socks in here. I don't think I organized these before filming this. This is like workout stuff. So I have like sports bras, leggings, tops, more tops, and then these are like running shorts. One thing that's like really interesting about these is there's no top thing to pull from. So you have to pull from the bottom of this one and then top from this one. This is just like jeans. Like I have jean shorts and jean skirts. This one's probably messy. And then this one I have lint roller belt, more jeans. These are like pants jeans. And then I have skirts that are not jean skirts. So like cuter little cloth skirts. And then I have some leggings back here that are like more lounge leggings and not necessarily like workout leggings. So that's what's all in there. And then over here, this is like a little nightstand they gave us. It's actually really cool. I have a notebook right here just in case I have any random things I need to write down in the middle of the night. It has this, which is really cool. I never use it because I always forget it's there, but if I wanted to like set my phone or something, I feel like if I were to jump on my bed, I'd fall on that. And this little nightstand down here, I just have like cleaning supplies, cooking things. I have some Tupperware and some forks and clips for chips or whatever. That really should be downstairs in my locker. And then I have some paper towels, plates, and then this is toilet paper because I don't have any tissues. So, and then up here is a lot of like YouTube stuff. My Apple Watch. I have like these for my ring light. I have my microphone and just like a bunch of like random stuff. This is all like YouTube camera equipment. That's where I like to hide it, and it doesn't really get shown that much. I mean, my bedding doesn't cover it all the way, but you can't see it as much. Going on into my bed, so this little throw blanket is so cute. It has like these little pom-poms. It's adorable. It's from Urban Outfitters. It sheds a lot, but it's so cute. I'm obsessed with it. I think it just like adds something extra to the bed and just gives like a little bit more texture, which is what I really wanted. And the bedding is from Urban Outfitters, and I think it's so cute. It has like these like crosses, and this, if you guys remember when I first got it, it was like super itchy, and it's not very soft still, but it's like a lot softer than it was because I washed it a ton, and I think it looks really cute. I love that it's not just plain white. And then I have the matching shams to it, and then here are my pillows. You guys remember I was planning on getting something like brown for here so I can bring that in, and then I just never got around to it. But these pillows, both white, I love this one. This one's my favorite. I think this pillow is so fun. I like to go like this. And then that one I know for a fact is from At Home. It's really cute. Up here, that Alpha Chi Omega sign, that's the sorority I'm in. I got that from the Social Life. I think that is like the perfect size and like perfect thing to just fill that space right there. Going onto this wall, I get so many questions about this. It's like one of my most asked things, like where did I buy these little hoop things? I actually made them. A while ago, I found a Twitter video of a girl cleaning her house, and she had this on her wall, and I was like, I'm gonna copy it. And so I kind of like did my own thing a little bit for it, but I'll just basically tell you what I did. So I got some embroidery hoops from Amazon, and I got some twine and command hooks from Amazon. So a lot of people ask me how I hang them up. I use little command hooks. And then I got greenery from Joann's. I got like hot glue and then floral wire, and I just wrapped the greenery with floral wire, and then I like hot glued them to like stay in place. Like as you guys can see, the hot glue on this one kind of fell, but that's where I got those. That's how I did that. It was super easy. It wasn't cheap, but it also was a lot cheaper than if I were to buy them, and I think they look really good. Some people tell me that it's like a lot and that I shouldn't have done so many, but I think when you like look at it as a whole compared to like this whole blank side, it's not that much, and I just really like the earthy kind of feel that it gives. And so the picture frame, these are all from IKEA, and so the quotes, I found them on Pinterest, and I basically just like went into PicMonkey and I just typed them out, and then I printed them from Costco on poster paper. These are all quotes that I thought I want to either live by or would be good to sing in the middle of an emotional breakdown, because those happen a lot in college. This one says a little more kindness, a little less judgment, which I really love. This one is my emotional breakdown quote. No, just kidding. That one's not. The next one is. This one says, remember that once you dreamed of being where you are now. And this one says, your best will find you in your worst. And so I thought those are just super cute, and I loved how I spaced them out, so they're just all something different. I just love my bed. I just think it's so different and so cute, so I'm very obsessed. Right next to it is my desk. This is where I get ready and do a lot of my homework. I brought my Alex 5 drawers from IKEA. My roommate actually got them too. Hers are right there. They're really nice for storing things. This one, a little messy. It like looks messy, but to me it makes sense. This one's like everyday makeup and stuff. This one, these are my medicines for my acne, but I have like foundations and like eyeliners and powders and like lip glosses. This is all the makeup that I decided to bring to college. Some people can say it's a lot, some people won't say it's a lot. This big one, I have like palettes, nail polish, skincare stuff. This one is like everyday things that I use. So like I use this for dry shampoo, lotions, perfumes, hair brushes. And then this one is just like hair stuff, so like curling irons, blow dryers, heat protectants, stuff like that. And then the desk and chair also came with the room. The chair is a rocking chair, which is really annoying. I accidentally ran over my toe one time with this. It really hurt. And I have this pillow from JCPenney's on it because it gets really cold. This room is freezing all the time. I put this pillow so my back won't have to touch the chair, and it's really comfy too. Here is my little desk. Hi. This I always get questions on. This is from Costco. Like turns on and off, and then you can also like zoom in. Oh no, let's not zoom in. And then this is my Echo Show. I have no idea why it's doing the echo thing right now. I don't know. Normally it just shows the time, but it just kind of started doing that. I've had this mirror forever. This I got last year. It holds all my makeup brushes. Everyone always tells me I have a ton of makeup brushes. This is from Home Goods. This was a gift from one of my friends. And then I have this lamp, which is like kind of broken because I scratched it during move-in, as you can see there, but I've had it forever. And then I also have my to-do list for the week over here. I starting a new week, so it's blank right now, and I normally just fill it out. I like to have it on my desk visible, and just so I can see what I need to check off. Next to my desk I have this floor lamp, which I really never turn on. Just thought it'd be nice to add some extra light just in case I'm filming videos. I have my trash can right there. That's my school backpack. I have some slippers because the floor is really gross in this house. Just like to have some slippers. And then this is the last part of my room, and this is the part that I'm kind of confused about and that I don't know. Hey, you can see me over there. I don't know what to do with this. So I was thinking of doing like a Polaroid wall, but then I was like, I don't have enough Polaroids. It's also a little overdone. And then I was like, a tapestry, but then like a tapestry is like, that's too small of a wall for a tapestry. So I don't know. I don't want to spend a ton of money. What do you guys think I should do? If you guys have any ideas, comment them down below so I can have some ideas. These are like the little cubes from IKEA. I wanted this to be my filming background. It didn't really work out how I planned because like this desk was kind of in the way, but the whole reason I chose this room was because of this wall, so I could film because the window projects directly onto that wall. So I thought that would be really nice. So on the desk, this is from IKEA. I have my hydro flask right there. And then over here, that's from JCPenney. That's from JCPenney. And that's like a Polaroid that was a gift to me when I was a senior in high school. I think these are really cute. And I love how like the wicker ties in with the wicker baskets. These are from IKEA as well. Those are just some letters that my roommate got from a friend. She needs to give them back. I don't know. This is definitely the undecorated space of my room. So in these baskets, I have, these are like tennis shoes, Vans, and running shoes. And then these, okay, don't judge me. This is a shoe drawer. These shoes are really dirty, so I apologize that you had to see those. I know that's disgusting, but it's life. I have cleaning supplies and laundry stuff in here. This is like school supplies. I'm taking this like sexual violence and like leadership program. And then I just have like binders and a bunch of stuff like that. Back over here. Oh, that's empty. This one, I have a Cal onesie in here, but I normally have like bags, like I have my purse and then like my camera bag and then my other backpack that I have in here. This one is just swimsuits, so some really cute swimsuits in here. And then this one's just like random stuff. Like I have like hats and stuff. This is a bag they gave me. I have my other hydro flask. I have like the extra command hooks and things like that in there. So that was the last part of my room. So again, here's just like a little overview really quickly. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and follow me on Instagram. Check out my move and vlog, dorm tour from last year, all that stuff down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!